Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
Today, I'm showing you exactly how to connect CJ Dropshipping to your Shopify store, the fast and easy way for 25. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to get CJ Dropshipping up and running alongside your store, so you can start sourcing products and automating fulfillment with no headaches. Let's dive right in. No fluff, just what you need. Alright, so start by heading to your Shopify admin page. If you're new to Shopify, this is your control center, the dashboard where you manage everything from products and orders to apps and integrations. Make sure you're logged into the correct store. Sometimes people have multiple stores, so it's always worth taking a quick look to confirm you're in the right place. Once you're on the admin page, look over to the left side menu, find and click on Apps. The Apps section is where you can add new functions to your Shopify store, almost like adding new tools to your toolbox. Go ahead and click into Apps. Now, at the top of the Apps page, you'll see a search bar. Type CJ into that search field, just those two letters. Give it a second and you'll see a list pop up beneath with various app options. You'll want to select CJ Dropshipping. It's usually at the top if you type CJ. CJ Dropshipping is a powerhouse for e-commerce folks who want fast shipping, reliable suppliers, and a ton of product options. So choosing it opens up some serious potential for your store. Click on CJ Dropshipping, and you'll be taken to the app details page where you can read more about what it does. If you've never used CJ before, feel free to skim the info. But for now, let's focus on getting it connected. Find the Install button. It's usually a big button right on the app page. Click that to start installing CJ Dropshipping onto your Shopify store. This part might take a few moments depending on your internet connection, so don't worry if there's a short pause or you see a loading wheel. Shopify is just doing some behind-the-scenes work to connect everything properly. Once it installs, you'll be asked to log into your CJ Dropshipping account. If you already have a CJ account, log in with your credentials. If you don't have one, the instructions will guide you to create a free account. This step is important because it bridges your Shopify store with CJ's system, so orders and product info can sync up automatically. Just follow the instructions. You'll typically have to authorize the connection, which is like handing CJ permission to help manage certain aspects of your store. It's totally safe and standard practice for integrations like these. After you log in and finish the setup, that's it. Your CJ Dropshipping account is now connected to your Shopify store. You'll see new options in your apps menu and can start importing products, setting up shipping, and managing orders right from your Shopify dashboard. Connecting the two platforms unlocks powerful automation, meaning you spend less time on manual tasks and more time growing your business. And remember, if any part of the process seems slow or you run into an error, just refresh the page and take it step by step. Most issues are solved with a quick retry. So that's how you connect CJ Dropshipping to Shopify in 2025, the easy way. If this video helped you out, guys, make sure to hit that like button. Leave any questions in the comments. I'm here to help. And if you want more tutorials just like this, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and happy dropshipping.